Hi all, today we will discuss 240 core Java interview question and answer. So what all are the core Java interview question which mostly fresher as well as experienced interviewer will ask. The first question is what is a static block and a static initializer in Java? When to use a static block and a static initializer? The next question is how to call one constructor from another constructor. The next question is what is method overriding in Java? Next question is what is super keyword in Java? And the next question is what is difference between overloading and method overriding in Java? The next question is what is abstract class in interface and interface? What is the difference between abstract class and interface? The next question is why Java is platform independent? Next question is what is method overloading in Java? The next question is what is difference between C and C++ and Java? Next question is what is JIT compiler? When to use this? The next question is what is bytecode in Java? Next question is what is difference between this and super in Java? The next question is what is class? Next question is what is object? The next question is what is method in Java? The next question is what is encapsulation? Next question is why main method is public static void in Java? The next question is explain about main method in Java. Next question is what is constructor in Java? Next question is what is difference between length and length method in Java? The next question is what is ASCII code? Next question is what is Unicode? Next question is what is the difference between character constant and string constant? The next question is what are constant and how to create a constant? The next question is what is difference between greater and greater tuple operators in Java? Now the core Java interview coding standard related interview question. So the explain, next question is explain Java coding standard for the class or Java coding conversation for classes. Explain Java coding standard interface. The next question is explain Java coding interfaces. Now the next question is explain the Java coding standards for method. Now the next question is explain Java coding standard for variable. Now the next question is explain the Java coding standard for constant. Now the next question is what is difference between overloading overriding in Java? Next question is what is a relationship in Java? The next question is what is has a relationship in Java? The next question is what is difference between is a relationship and has a relationship? The next question is explain about instance of operators in Java. The next question is what is null mean in Java? What does null means in Java? The next question is can we have multiple classes in single file? The next question is what all access modifier allowed for top class? The next question is what is package in Java? The next question is can we have a more than one package statement in source file? The next question is can we define package statement after import statement in Java? Next question is what is identifier in Java? The next question is what are the access modifier in Java? The next question is what is the difference between access specifier and access modifier in Java? The next question is what access modifier can be used for class? The next question is explain the access modifier can be used for the method. Next question is explain what is access modifier can be used for the variable. What is final access modifier in Java? The next question is explain about abstract class in Java. The next question is can we create constructors in abstract class? The next question is what is abstract method in Java? The next question is Java exception handling interview question. So what is exception in Java? The next question is state some situations where exceptions may arise in Java. The next question is what is exception handling in Java? Next question is what is error? Now the next question is what is the advantage of exception handling in Java? The next question is in how many way we can handle the exception in Java? The next question is list out 5 key related for the exception handling. The next question is explain the try catch keyword in Java. The next question is can we have a try block without catch block? The next question is can we have a multiple catch block for the try block? Next question is explain importance of finally block in Java. The next question is can we have any code between try catch block? The next question is can we have any code between try and finally block? The next question is can we catch more than one exception in single catch block? Next question is what is checked exception? Next question is what is unchecked exception? The next question is what is the difference between checked and unchecked exception? Next question is what is default exception handling? Now the next question is explain throw keyword in Java. The next question is can we write any code after throw the statement? Now the next question is explain importance of throw keyword in Java. The next question is explain the importance of finally over return statement. Now the next question is explain a situations where finally block will not be executed. Now the next question is can we use statement for check exception? The next question is what are user defined exception? The next question is can we rethrow the exception from catch handler? Next question is can we nested try statement in Java? The next question is explain the importance of throwable class and its methods. Now the next question is explain when class not found exception will be raised. Next question is explain when class def error will be raised. Now we will discuss about Java interview question on thread. What is process? What is thread? What is the difference between process and thread? What is multitasking? What are different type of multitasking? What all are the benefit of multi-threading programming? Now explain thread in Java. Now the next question is list Java API that support thread. Now explain about main thread in Java. Now in how many ways we can create a thread in Java? Now the next question is explain creating thread by implementing runnable class. Now explain creating thread by extending thread class. Which of the best approach for creating a thread? Explain the importance of thread scheduler in Java. Now the next question is explain the life cycle of thread. Can we restart a dead thread in Java? Can one thread block from another thread? Can we restart a thread already started thread in Java? What happens if we don't override run method? Can we overload run method in Java? What is lock and purpose of lock? How many way we can do the synchronization in Java? What are the synchronization method? How do you use synchronization method in Java? When a thread is executing synchronized method, then it is possible to execute synchronized method simultaneously by another thread. Now the next question is when thread is executing synchronized method, then is it possible to the same thread to be accessed another synchronized method object. Now, what are the synchronized block in Java? When do we use synchronized block and advantage of using synchronized block? What is class level lock? Can we synchronize a static method in Java? Can we use synchronized block for primitive? What are thread priority and importance of thread priority in Java? Explain different type of thread priority. How to change the priority of thread and how to set the priority of thread. Now the next question is, if two thread having same priority, which thread will be executed first? The next question is, what all method is used to prevent a thread execution? Explain yield method in thread class. The next question is it possible yield thread to get chance for the execution again? Now the next question is, explain the importance of join method of thread class. Next question is, explain the purpose of sleep method. Next question is, assume a thread has lock on it. Calling sleep method, that thread will be release the lock. Now the next question is, can sleep method cause another thread as sleep? Now the next question is, explain about interrupt method of the thread class. Now the next question is, explain about inter thread communications and how it takes place in Java. Now the next question is, what is the difference between wait, notify all method of object class? Now the next question is, explain why wait, notify all method in object class rather than thread class. Now the next question is, explain illegal monitor state exception and when it will be thrown. Now the next question is, when wait, notify all method call does it release the lock and hold the required lock? Now the explain which of the following method release lock when yield method, join method, sleep method, wait method, notify all method are executed. Now what is the thread group? What is a local thread? What is daemon thread? How to make non-daemon thread as a daemon? Can we make main method thread as a daemon? Now the interview questions related for nested class and inner class. So what is nested class in Java? What all are the inner class and non-static nested class in Java? Why do we use nested class in Java? Now, what is the purpose of nested class in Java? Explain about a static nested class in Java. How to instantiate a static nested class in Java. Now explain about method local inner class or local inner classes in Java. Explain about features of local inner class. Now explain about anonymous inner class in Java. Explain restrictions of using anonymous inner class. Is this valid in Java? Is this valid in Java? Can we instantiate interface in Java? Now the next question is, explain about member inner class. Now the next question is, how to instantiate member inner class. Now the next question is, how do we encapsulation in Java? How to do encapsulation in Java. Now the next question is, what is reference variable in Java? Now the next question is, what is compiler create a default constructor? If I have a parameterized constructor in the class, will the compiler create a default constructor if I have a parameter constructor in the class? Now the next question is, can we have a method name same as a class name? Now the next question is, can we override constructor in Java? Now the next question is, can a static method access instance variable in Java? Next question is how do we access static members in Java? Now the next question is can we override a static method in Java? The next question is difference between object and reference. What is object and what is reference? Now the next question is object or reference, which of them get garbage collected? The next question is how many times finalize method will be invoked? Who invoked finalize method in Java? The next question is can we able to pass object as an argument in Java? The next question is explain wrapper classes in Java. Now the next question is explain different type of wrapper classes in Java. Now the next question is explain about transient variable in Java. Now the next question is can we serialize a static variable in Java? Next question is what is type conversion in Java? Now the next question is explain about automatic type conversion in Java. Now the next question is explain about narrowing conversion in Java. Now the next question is explain the importance of import keywords in Java. Now the next question is explain naming conventions of package. What is class? What is jar? What is scope or lifetime of instance variable? Can you explain scope or lifetime of class variable or a static variable? Now the next question is explain the scope or lifetime local variable in Java. Now the next question is explain about static import in Java. Now the next question is can we determine a static method inside interface? The next question is define interface in Java. Now the next question is what is the purpose of interface? The next question is explain features of interface in Java. Now the next question is what is enumeration in Java? The next question is explain restrictions on using enum. The next question is explain about field hiding in Java. The next question is explain about where args in Java. Next question is explain where variables will be created in the memory. Now the next question is can we switch statement with a string? The next question is in Java how do we copy object? Now we will discuss about OOPS concept interview question. So explain about procedural programming language or a structured programming language and its features. Now the next question is explain about object oriented programming and its features. Now the next question is list out benefit of object oriented programming language. Next question is difference between traditional programming language and object oriented programming language. Now the next question is explain OOPS concept in detail. Now the next question is explain what is encapsulation. Next question is what is inheritance. Next question is explain importance of inheritance in Java. The next question is what is polymorphism in Java. Now we will discuss about collection framework interview question. So what is collection framework? What is collection? What is different between collections and collections? Now explain about the collection interface in Java. Now the next question is list the interface which extend collection interface. Now the next question is explain list interface. Now the next question is explain method specific to the list interface. Now the next question is list implementation of list interface. Now the next question is explain about array list. Now the next question is what is difference between array and array list. Next question is what is vector. Next question is what is difference between array and vector. The next question is what is linked list and its features with signatures. The next question is define iterators and methods in iterators. The next question is in which order iterator iterates our collection. The next question is explain list iterator and method in list iterator. Explain about set. What is set? Implementation of set interface. Explain the hash sets and features. The next question is what is tree sets and features. Next question is when to use hash set, when to use tree set. The next question is what is a linked hash set and its features. The next question is explain about map interface in Java. The next question is what is linked hash map and features. The next question is what is sorted map interface. The next question is what is hash table and explain its features of hash table. The next question is what is difference between hash map and hash table. Next question is difference between array list and linked list. The next question is difference between comparable and comparator in Java. The next question is concurrent hash map and features. The next question is concurrent hash map and hash tables and collection synchronized hash map. The next question is explain copy on write array list and when do we use copy on write array list. The next question is what is fail fast iterator in Java. The next question is explain about fail safe iterator. Now we will discuss about core Java serialization interview question. What is serialization in Java? What is the main purpose of serialization in Java? What all are alternatives in Java serialization? Explain about Java serialization interface in Java. Now the next question is how we can make a serialization in Java. The next question is what is serial version UUID and importance in Java. The next question is what happens if you don't provide any serial version UUID. Now the next question is can we serialize static variables in Java. Now the next question is when do we serialize an object? Does the serialization mechanism save it reference to? Now the next question is if you don't want some of the field not to be serialized, how to do that? So these all are the real-time core Java 240 core Java interview questions. So if you prepare for these interview questions, then you can easily crack all the core Java related interview questions based on the freshers requirement or experience requirement. So most of the interviewer will ask this type of questions. So this is very important common interview questions for the freshers and experience. This is 240 core Java real-time interview questions answers. Yeah, thank you.